Namaste. Thank you for watching my videos. I hope all of you are doing good. Today I am sharing recipe of mac and cheese. I have used elbow pasta. You can use any other kind of pasta too. I have used cheddar cheese and parmesan cheese. You can use any other cheese also. Make mac and cheese if we have mustard powder, onion powder, garlic powder. They taste very good. I have used mustard sauce. If you have dry mustard powder, you can use that too. To make the white sauce for the pasta, the quantity of butter and the all-purpose flour should be almost equal. I have used warm milk to make the white sauce. If you like the recipe, then do share and subscribe. It's very easy to make mac and cheese. So let's get started. In a pan on medium to high flame, we'll add 4 cups of water and 1 teaspoon of salt and bring it to boil. Once the water starts boiling, we'll add 1 cup of pasta. In this, give it a stir and let it boil at least for 5 to 7 minutes. Once our pasta is boiled, we'll take half cup of pasta water and keep it reserved. We'll drain off excess water. List of all the ingredients is also there in the description box below. Now let's make the white sauce for the pasta. In a pan on medium flame, we'll melt 2 tablespoons of butter. Once the butter melts, we'll add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and mix it nicely. We'll cook this at least for 1 to 2 minutes till the color of the all-purpose flour it changes little bit. Stir this continuously. As soon as we see the bubbles forming on the bottom, we'll add milk in this. The milk we are using here is warm milk. We'll add milk little by little and whisk it. Here I have used whole milk. We'll whisk this continuously so that no lumps are formed. In total, I needed 1 cup of warm milk to make the white sauce. Once the creamy mixture of all-purpose flour and milk is formed, we'll reduce the heat to low and then we'll add the cheddar cheese in this little by little. We'll whisk it continuously. In this recipe, I have used store-bought grated sharp cheddar cheese. So once the cheddar cheese also melts, then I'll add the parmesan cheese. We'll whisk this mixture continuously. We'll also add half a teaspoon of dry garlic powder and half a teaspoon of mustard sauce. We'll mix it nicely. If you have dry mustard powder, you can add that also, as well as dry onion powder. Our white sauce is ready. We'll add the freshly boiled pasta in this and mix gently. In this mixture, we'll add 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning and 1/4 teaspoon of red chilli flakes. We'll mix it gently again. I found the sauce a bit thick, so I added 2 to 3 tablespoons of pasta water in it and mixed it nicely. You can skip it if you like thick sauce. So we'll sprinkle some black pepper powder on this. Also, I have added little bit more of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of salt also. So our mac and cheese is ready. Have it with your friends and family. Enjoy! next week with another recipe. Thank you.